One day you wake up and realize your ambition has become to design a better world. And from that point forward, you see your life's work in a whole new way. You create, you conceptualize, you fashion, you form. You give shape, space, and ideas a life of their own. You design, model, and visualize. And with the cloud, you simulate. You use automation to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. You communicate, analyze, and share, and you collaborate with others, engineers, architects, designers, and builders, working together in the cloud. You optimize, plan, and fabricate, and then you build. You build the world that you imagine. You realize all of this in Revit.